Silence breaks, a distant hum, no rising pulse, a beat too calm. Lights ignite, the crowd takes hold, a story waiting to unfold. Feel the current deep inside, no turning back, nowhere to hide. Anticipation, a rising tide, ready for the great divide. Energy climbs, reaching high, touching the edge of the sky. Heartbeat pounding, close your eyes before the moment electrifies. Know the shockwave hits the floor, never felt like this before. Your euphoria takes control, losing body, losing soul. A sonic blast, a vibrant sound, spinning senses all around. This is a moment unbound, long and pulsing ground. Echoes linger in the air, a vibrant hum beyond compare. The best of fun, yeah, deep and low. Now is the jewel electric glow, and bodies moving in the haze, lost within these vibrant days. The energy flows in endless ways, caught in this euphoric maze. Energy climbs, reaching high, touching the edge of the sky. Heartbeat pounding, close your eyes before the moment electrifies. Feel the shockwave hits the floor, never felt like this before. Your euphoria takes control, losing body, losing soul. A sonic blast, a vibrant sound, spinning senses all around. This is the moment unbound, not alone, pulsing ground. From the quiet to the roar, always wanting something more. A primal urge, a wild release, finding power, finding peace. Let the rhythm guide your feet. This feeling bittersweet, another surge, another beat. The cycle starts complete.